We're back in Kingston for a very brief period of time.
Literally a week.
And
but it's okay because we have a lot to do.
There is new and exciting things happening in our life and right behind us with the help of my dad. Who's back
So,
there.
Dev, what are we doing a week yesterday? So less than a week.
We are starting a road trip all across Canada. We are starting here and going all the way to the west coast. I've never driven across Canada, so I'm so excited to see the country we were born and raised in, and it's just going to be incredible. And this is where things get really exciting.
Yes.
My parents were kind enough to offer their minivan. So we are going to be doing a mini conversion because it has to go back to normal after our trip.
Yeah, so that's what today and the next couple of days are going to be about, in addition to planning more of this trip, because we're sort of winging it at this point, which is fine. It's very us.
Very us.
So we're going to do a Grand Caravan? Dodge Grand Caravan 2008?
Yeah, I don't know.
Build.
Yeah, starting today with building our bed.
So we hired this guy. He's our contract worker.
Hey everybody.
Thank you very much.
So you start it here.
Yep.
I'm learning how to do this, Mom. That's cool. Bit of an update for you. Right now they're working on the legs. We just did the measurements, but we've got the actual frame put together.
So,
Success! Step one.
That's it. We got a bed.
Complete.
A platform, some storage space.
Next step is clean the van.
Clean the van and pack.
And buy stuff we need.
We do have to buy stuff and plan. So I guess we have a lot of
Step
stuff.
one out of a lot of steps, but we're off to a good start.
It's a few days later.
And it's now time to clean the van. I don't know why I'm that excited because it's just cleaning, but it's okay because it'll look really nice when it's
This
done.
van is very much due for a makeover.
We're gonna start by emptying the van, then doing some shop vacuuming, and then maybe some wipey-wipies.
Some wipey. Ow, jeez. That hurt. That was annoying. I pricked my finger on a little pine needle. Anyhow, it's not van stuff if you're not, hurting yourself, getting your hands dirty. Okay, let's vacuum.
We just wanted to give you a quick update. Keith's just finishing something right there. But look!
Little lumbar support.
The van is clean! Ta-da! Well, as clean as we could get it. And we're gonna put our bed platform back in. And then we have some things to buy tomorrow. Keith's gonna give it the outside a little bit of a rinse, and I'm gonna go through the stuff that was in here and organize it.
Well, we gotta wipe down the ceiling a bit, maybe over there. But yeah, I mean, we did a pretty good job. It's not like there was that much to do. Just give it a vacuum, but lots of big crumbs. Thank God for shop vacs, I gotta say.
Okay, that's all. We just wanted to update you. We're back. It is the day before we leave for our trip, and we still have a lot to do today.
We do. All our stuff is in the front hall.
It kind of
Jesus.
looks like...
These things are so sharp. Sorry.
It kind of looks like a tornado went through my parents' house. They're
All our
not
stuff is
home,
everywhere.
thankfully, so hopefully it'll be cleaned up before they get home.
That is the goal. I'm going to work on the Reflectix inside the van, so we're going to take out this platform and I have to do a bunch of cutting out. Did a lot of YouTube searches. Seems like it's going to be a project.
That's our next step, and then I've just been putting our stuff in bins to hopefully figure out how to fit all of our stuff under our bed.
And in bins by categories of, like car stuff or
Outdoor,
like kitchen
camping,
stuff.
Yeah.
And we're going to go through
Clothes.
all that with you later.
Yeah. All right, let's keep working because we literally leave tomorrow in less than 24 hours.
Did the dash, the 2 passenger windows, the 2 door windows. Now we're missing the 2 small windows. How you doing, Dad?
Good, I thought I'd come help you out and start trying to figure out our
That's the next
netting.
thing. What is it?
It's gonna be bug nets for our 2 side doors so that we can keep them open during the evening and not get attacked by mosquitoes.
Yes, sir. So, we're making progress.
Also, I got new sunglasses and I'm really happy about them, so you're gonna see these lots in the videos.
On the vlog?
I think so.
Look at these. Very cute.
I'm very excited about that.
And we sort of match too, which is pretty great. All the Reflectix are on.
I'm just chilling here in the dark.
Hold up. Let's figure this out.
Can you see us at all?
Is there any way of seeing us?
No.
It is dark in here. Also, when you live in a van, you live outside. You don't really live in the van.
No, exactly.
So.
Exactly.
Oh, the breeze on my back is nice. Let's open these doors. Ah, it's hot.
I thought I'd bring you guys inside just for a moment to show you how our packing is going, to show you the tornado I was talking about. So as you can see, we've taken over the inside of our house. I've got it in piles, which is good with the stuff we're bringing, but still have a little ways to go in T-minus 24 hours.
So we're just hanging up these curtains, and we have some bobby pins. These are mosquito netting curtains that are magnetic. Okay, let's try this again. Here. Oh, it's actually sticking. Last time, it would literally just fall off. It wouldn't even stay. So it's working. If you ever have a surface that's not sticky and oily, then dish soap, hot water, and rubbing alcohol does the trick. See? So I think that's it. I think we finished all these sort of major tweaks. I don't know what you want to call them. Reflectix, mosquito netting, and adding something to the platform to make it more stable. Sort of handiwork.
Yep, all the building stuff, and all of our stuff is inside, so next step is going to be bring it outside and start the process to fit it all in the van.
Fit it all in the van, play some Tetris.
Mm-hmm. So
and then
we can leave tomorrow.
And that's it, I think.
Yeah, then we're going to be van lifers.
For a month.
Woohoo! All right, we just put stuff in the trolley, and next is filling up the area underneath our bed. Fingers crossed everything fits.
Yeah, Dev, I think we have way more space than you think.
Yeah.
Like way more than you think.
I hope so.
Maybe we don't. Maybe I'm completely wrong and we have no space.
Either way, we're leaving tomorrow morning. We last left you packing the van. It is the next day. We're a bit behind schedule. What's new?
Yeah.
But we are ready to go, and the van is done.
It's complete. We got our bed in here. Everything's set up. The only thing missing, I think, is food.
Yeah, so we're gonna hit a grocery store. And next time you'll see us, we'll be in Bruce Peninsula, and we will do a full van tour. Don't worry.
Yes, we will.
But
and show you everything that we brought and everything. But we have to hit the road because we are gone for the next month.
Yep. Woohoo!
And we got to meet people for camping
Yay!
tonight.
Yes. See you in Bruce Peninsula. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.